Yun! Pang tuition sa school, pwede nangingin sa PCSO.
Yan.
Pwede ba yun, direct?
Ay, may lipstick pa.
Aba, tingnan mo nga naman, hindi lang pala wheelchair at GL ang ibinibigay ng PCSO. Ang tuition ng anak mo sa college, pwede na rin nila sagutin. Dapat direct sinama na to si Lotot dito eh. Andito lang naman, isama na to. How to apply? Download Ego PH app. Create an account and fill out the PCSO Educational Assistance form within the app. Book appointment. Schedule a visit to your nearest PCSO branch through the app. Submit documents. Bring all required documents to your appointments or email them as instructed. Alternative submission. Some branches may allow email submissions or walk-ins, so check with your local office. Pasok naman, di ba?